So we're under attack from an invisible enemy. Here at National BioSafe, we've been doing environmental cleanup for 35 years. Disinfecting, sanitation, true, effective bioremediation cleaning. We have a 30,000 square foot manufacturing plant in Texas where we make all our technologies and cleaning products. We started this business to give people the proper protocol in remediation cleaning. This is not your grandmother's cleaning. This is National BioSafe professional biohazard cleaning service. We clean walls, ceilings, floors, furniture, contents. We do an air and surface clean. We do a fogging of the whole air. That breaks down any contaminants.
We are very happy to have BioSafe here at Rebel Salon today. It is very important for us as well as our clients to know that they have a safe environment to come and have their hair done.
We will protect and certify your home safe.